Hey, y'all, pray you're having a blessed day. They're getting ready to teach me how to drive this tractor so I can take the goat some hay. Y'all pray my strength in the Lord. Okay, amen, somebody.
All right, so push that in, and you can let the seat up too. The seat can come up if you need to. Right here. I think it's right here. That's as far as it go? Oh yeah. All right, so push the clutch, turn the key. All right, come off the clutch. Now, this front, that's back. In the middle, that's front, that's back. Front, neutral, back. All right, let's hit neutral. Now, push the clutch, put it in here, clutch, put it in reverse gear. Alright, you good. Come up off the clutch. Now push it in. And then, this is low, that's high. Bad, slow, fast. Right. Raise your bucket on the side right there. Right? Raise it up. Alright. Go back. Got me? There you go. There you go. Whoa, whoa. That's the brake. Them two the brake. Yeah, hold on. Alright. But look. You good? Hey, push the clutch in. Go forward. There you go. Pick it up. Pick it up off the ground. Up. There you go. So you ain't damaged. Yeah. Tilt it back. Go down. There you go. You still got it in high. All right. Take it out of gear. All right. Take it out of gear. Take it out of gear over there. All right. And try to start it. The baby's up under here. All right. All right. Put it in low. That'll work. There you go. What's up, buddy?
All right, y'all, so I have learned how to drive this tractor. I should have been learned, but anyway, no time like the present time. Okay, amen, somebody. I pray that y'all have a blessed rest of the day. Go do something you have never done so that you can get something you have never gotten, and always give God his glory. Okay.